What's going on, boys and girls? It's been a while. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's Easy Actions. Yeah, so it's been a while since I've been on the bike. I'm so knackered today. I didn't get much sleep last night. Yeah, it's a solo ride today. The boys are working, and a few of the boys are working, and one of them still needs to do a bit of a rebuild on his bike. So yeah, it's been a while. I hurt my back ages ago, so I haven't been riding as well. Yeah, I ruptured a disc, and yeah, that was a real slow process. Still hurts a little bit, not 100% recovered, but you know, it's probably about 80%. So a little bit more to go. Hopefully it comes good. Hopefully it comes good, brand new like before. Yeah, we're just gonna have a bit of a muck around on the bike. Nothing too serious today. It's been a long time. I just want to get a feel of the bike again. Yeah, so it's been such a long time. I probably haven't ridden in about 3-4 months, I reckon. Yeah, because I hurt my back in back in I reckon May, and it's December now. That's like 6-7 months, so it's been ages. Wow, that's a long time. See, as you can see, the bike's only got, I can't check it now, 25 hours, 28 hours, something like that. I wonder if it's going to rain today. Yeah, so I don't want to go too crazy as well, because I'm by myself. I don't want to really, just in case something goes wrong. Hopefully nothing goes wrong, but you know, you've got to take it easy when you're by yourself. You know, you've got to be careful. You don't want to end up in trouble out here, out in the sticks by yourself, and then things can really get hairy. Yeah, I didn't get much sleep as well last night. I only got a couple of hours. I was away fishing. I went away to Portland for a few days, trying to hook up to a kingfish, but it's still a few weeks early this season. So there was no luck there. Then I got back, and you know, I couldn't sleep last night because I slept a little bit in the day, a couple of hours in the day, and I'm like, fuck it, I'll go for a ride. You know, get the blood pumping. Because as you guys know, these dirt bikes, it's like doing a bit of a circle again, you know. Wow, I'm flipping out. I thought there was a car behind me. It's my lights. So I got out here pretty early. It's about 6 o'clock, 10 past 6. So I am, what's up there? I reckon that track comes up here from the other side. I just rode past. These grubs, man, look at all that rubbish. That's disgusting, man. Keep the bushes clean, keep nature clean. You know, we love being outdoors, we enjoy it, we love nature, we love fishing, camping, hunting, hiking. Doesn't matter what you're into. You know, you should keep it. That's pretty, that's a big drop, eh? Fuck, it looks alright down there. Might go check that out. Guys, I'm only a rookie, yeah. I'm still learning how to ride. They say weekend warrior. I reckon I'm once a month warrior, not even these days. Why is that taped off? Alright. Must be like one of those bars, you know, you gotta bend over, bend backwards, and what's it called? Forget what they're called. Yeah, I was just being sarcastic. Just being silly like usual. Oh, there's a nice drop here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ah. Man, going down freaks me out sometimes. I like climbing. I love climbing. But going down, it's been ages, man. I'm really forgotten how to ride. It's not bad looking climb. Actually, my clutch isn't holding. Left side, right side. What gear am I in? My wrist. Woo. Whoa. That was a decent climb. The thing is, guys, we've got to watch out for snakes as well. It is summer here in Australia, and I don't like the snakes, man. You can't really see them, and look, we've got boots on, which is good. Woo. Yeah, you don't want to get bitten by one out here. Ah, she's great, isn't she? I need to learn how to do log crossings. I don't like how it's sitting on a bit of an angle. That time. Where does right take me? Where does left take me? So, where are we riding today? We're in actually, I'm not gonna say, man, because fuck it, because I'm in Mount Nissa, Melbourne. Mount Disappointment. Apparently they found the mountain. They found this mountain and they got disappointed. So they called it Mount Disappointment. I don't know how true that story is, but that's what I heard. I don't know if we should find some singles. Yeah, drop a comment, guys. You know, let us know what bikes he's riding. Are you a 4-stroke man, 2-stroke man? What he's into, man? He's into like enduro, slow enduro, technical enduro, trail riding. What do you like? Do you like smoking them up, or or you just, you know, weekend warrior like me? They can't really ride. Yeah, so let us know. And you, all the Aussies, Victorian fellas, man, let us know where the best tracks are. Like, we've done a lot around Melbourne. We really want to go to Mount Kosciuszko. I heard there's good tracks there. How good is it? You know, do you have to be really experienced to ride there, or can you just be like a bit of a novice? What the hell was that? You know, bit of a rookie like me, or is it just too technical? So what I like is, yeah, we like, I like, you know, I hate that soft ground, makes it real hard to climb. I don't mind rocky stuff, creeks, I don't mind slow riding, technical riding, you know. Yeah, so let us know where you guys have ridden, what's good, what's not. Like, I like Cobar in Melbourne. I don't think Cobar is pretty good. Letterdurg or something like that, I think it's called. Tullarook isn't too bad. We've done a circle, haven't we? This is this rubbish I've seen before. Look how disgusting that is. As if you dump all this here, man. These guys are animals. I don't want to come in too hot. Oh yeah. Yeah, so we're just going down a little bit of a hill. Oh shit. I don't like that rut. Yeah, I didn't really like that rut, did I? Whee! Whee! Oh, these tracks have changed a lot. These are all running out real bad. What happened now, man? Oh yeah, I definitely feel it in the shoulders. Whew. This is a bit of a climb. Oh, I just puffed out, man. Ah, I thought that was a snake. I'm riding, boys. And girls, I guess. Whew. I really learned how to do pivot turns. That's called the boardy pivot. Woo! I'm so unfit. Guys, I'm riding the Husky. I'm riding a 250T. Oh, this is a climb and a half. My back looks a bit flat. I might be the weight. Yeah, so I'm just riding a T250. So bro got the TSP package. I really want to try that out. Now, should we go left? God, look what's down here. Oh, some wallabies. That's going to take me back to where I came from. Looking at the hill, whatnot, I might turn around. Oh, yeah, so what was I saying before? Yeah, I ride a 250 Husky. The bro just got the TSP package. We've heard a lot of good things about them. They're getting old now. Obviously, we all know they're pretty awesome, but I've never ridden a bike with a TSP package. So that, I can't wait to try that out. I heard it really wakes up the bike, which is pretty cool. Bit of a tight squeeze in there, eh? Now we're looking for new riding spots as well. Somewhere along the coast, somewhere we can camp and go for a ride. Oh, what is that? Tail. Yeah, it's to, you know, go away, find some nice tracks, but I'm after some really nice tracks. Like, it's really dry out here. I guess a lot of Victoria, a lot of Australia would be dry, even though they had a lot of rain recently up in Queensland. Yeah, so if you guys know any good spots, just let us know. Drop a comment and we'll have to go check it out. I have no idea where I am. I just love that. That's the best part of riding. When you get lost out in the sticks. We need to get his bike fixed ASAP. He's the wild one in the group. He just hits everything. Full throttle. Must have some really big balls, that guy. I hate crossing logs, man. I get scared. But I'm gonna go over the handlebars. If we get him here, you hit him in winter, man. They're like hitting ice cubes. Just fly off. Fuck, bit too late on that one. Woo! No way. Yeah, I'm gonna take I was going to take the pussy way out. Oh. Yeah guys, welcome to Melbourne, Australia. I'm about half an hour out of Melbourne. Half an hour north out of Melbourne. Good old Oz. Country Australia. Come check it out, guys. I don't think I've ever been down here, to be honest. Wow. Bro. That's cut down all the trees. People need timber, man. What do you say? Hopefully they replant something, you know? Oh, this guy's felling trees over here. Check that crazy mother out. I think I might get in trouble if I ride over there. Actually, I should go up and ask him, bro, can you put one down for me? I want to jump over it. I want to learn how to jump trees or jump logs. See what he says. Oh, I found neutral. Come on, Izzy, don't stack it. Easy boy. It's just not the same when the boys aren't with you, you know. It's good seeing a good stack every now and then. No, you don't want no one to get hurt. But it's funny when one of the bros go flying. Always ask them if they're alright, and then you start laughing, you know. You never start laughing, then ask. Now I know where I am. I've been up there before. Apparently there was some comp there one year as well. Oh yeah, that's right, I was with one of the bros and we pulled out of one of these tracks here and we just looked up and there was like hundreds of bikes. Hey, how am I going to get through here? What's going on here? Am I going to fit through there? So I'm going to come around the other side. bikes here, and we just look and there's like fucking hundreds of bikes, literally hundreds. I'm gonna stop laughing. Like, bro, what's going on here? That's the first time I've seen that. Jeez, bit of a drop there, son. Yeah, so they had some hard enduro comp that day. I don't know where the track was and which way it went. We just kept riding. We should have actually joined them. That would have been a good laugh. So that's where you got to be careful, man. Near the water. These dry, you know, in this dry country, long grass, water. Where you got to watch out. But they're chasing mice and I don't know what's the little frogs and whatnot, and they're all going to be near the water. So you gotta watch out when you're riding the dry days. In summer, in the grass and near the water. Yeah, so on the bike I'm just I like those Kenda Ibexes. Kenda Ibex, I reckon they're awesome players. But they're just not the best in soft ground. You know what I mean? On hard ground, rocks and roots and trees and logs and whatnot, they are beautiful tires. Bit of a view down here, isn't it? Not bad looking. We go straight away and go left. I have no idea. I think I'll go left. Can we turn? Probably help if I drop it here. Brain's not working today. Usually only works at 80% anyway, but today I'm running on about 40. I literally only slept a couple of hours yesterday evening, late afternoon, and that's it. I didn't sleep again. Couldn't sleep, got up early, screw this, I'm having a coffee, go for a quick ride, it's been ages. There should be a track around here. I don't remember where it is. Might have been back there. Yeah, I think it was back there. I don't know, you know how you go riding and everywhere looks the same? I get that a lot. What's that? Yeah, these bikes have more than enough power. Unless you're some nutter that's pretty much pro, you ain't gonna use the full power of the bike. No way, bro. I don't care how good you are. Fuck, I've never seen that shit before. Getting graffiti there for you guys. Who comes all the way out here to graffiti a shed? There must be a crackhead for sure. Looks even tagged there, put his name there. I have no idea where I am. Fuck, how did I end up back in here? Dude, now I'm still in circles. Country. Dude, where the fuck am I? Sun's there, so I'm gonna go to my right. Wow, check out the view. amazing. Not all the trees that are down, the line of trees. That looks mad. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a short one, but it was alright. It was a quick ride. Till next time, man. Take care.